Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Widgetsmith and creating a widget immediately. This gets you into the editing flow fast. Tap Add Widget, then pick the size you want, small, medium, or large, because size dictates which home screen space it will occupy and what data it can show. Once added, tap the widget thumbnail to enter the editor. You'll see default style presets. Select one close to your goal to save time, because customizing a template is faster than building from scratch. Now you customize both how the widget looks and what it shows. Select the widget type, for example, photos for rotating images or custom text for a quick note, because the data source affects update options. Then tweak font, color, background, and border so contrast and readability are clear on your wallpaper. Set a tap action to open an app or a shortcut. This makes the widget interactive. Once done, save the configuration so Widgetsmith stores the style and data mapping. Finish by adding the widget to your home screen. Long press an empty area, tap the plus icon, find Widgetsmith, then pick the right size and add widget. Once placed, long press the widget and choose Edit Widget so you can pick the exact saved instance you configured. This links the on-screen space to your custom style. If the widget doesn't update, quit and reopen Widgetsmith, restart the iPad, and confirm permissions and background refresh are enabled. That usually resolves sync and refresh problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.